A slurry is a thin sloppy mud or cement or, in extended use, any fluid mixture of a pulverized solid with a liquid, often used as a convenient way of handling solids in bulk. Slurries behave in some ways like thick fluids, flowing under gravity, but are also capable of being pumped if not too thick. Examples of slurries include cement slurry, a mixture of cement, water, and assorted dry and liquid additives used in the petroleum and other industries. Soil cement slurry, also called controlled low-strength material, flowable fill, controlled density fill, flowable mortar, plastic soil cement, cakecrete, and other names. A mixture of thickening agent, oxidizers, and water used to form a gel explosive. A mixture of pyroclastic material, rocky debris, and water produced in a volcanic eruption and known as a lahar. A mixture of bentonite and water used to make slurry walls. Coal slurry, a mixture of coal waste and water, or crushed coal and water. Slurry oil, the highest boiling fraction distilled from the effluent of an FCC unit in an oil refinery. It contains large amount of catalyst, in form of sediments, hence the denomination of slurry. A mixture of wood pulp and water used to make paper. Manure slurry, a mixture of animal waste, organic matter, and sometimes water, often known simply as slurry, in agricultural use. Used as fertilizer after aging in a slurry pit. Meat slurry, a mixture of finely ground meat and water, centrifugally dewatered and used as food. An abrasive substance used in chemical-mechanical polishing. Slurry ice, a mixture of ice crystals, freezing point depressant, and water. A mixture of raw materials and water involved in the raw mill manufacture of Portland cement. A mixture of minerals, water, and additives used in the manufacture of ceramics. A bolus of chewed food mixed with saliva. Calculations. Determining solids fraction to determine the percent solids of a slurry from the density of the slurry. Solids and liquid, whereas the solids fraction of the slurry is the solids density is the slurry density is the liquid density in aqueous slurries. As is common in mineral processing, the specific gravity of the species is typically used, and since is taken to be 1. This relation is typically written, even though specific gravity with units tons per cubic meter is used instead of the SI density unit, kilogram per cubic meter. Liquid mass from mass fraction of solids to determine the mass of liquid in a sample given the mass of solids and the mass fraction. By definition asterisk 100 therefore and then and therefore where is the solids fraction of the slurry is the mass or mass flow of solids in the sample or stream is the mass or mass flow of slurry in the sample or stream is the mass or mass flow of liquid in the sample or stream volumetric fraction from mass fraction equivalently and in a minerals processing context where the specific gravity of the liquid is taken to be 1. So and then combining with the first equation.